Claude Ciccello and his family have invested in this wonderful, wonderful project, which is going to be so good. They will be producing their fantastic cheese, not just for Australia, but to be exported around the world. And this is going to be a very significantly enhanced production facility for our state, exactly what our industry needs.
Certainly a big milestone for our business, my family and the whole team at La Casa del Formaggio. Certainly looking forward to starting the journey in what will be an absolute state-of-the-art facility, and this facility has been designed with export in mind. So new challenge for our business, but one we're certainly looking forward to.